Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's compete with Swaranjali. So here I am with chapter 9 of Economy of Bihar. Our chapter 9 is Human Development in Bihar. So I'm going to do the MCQ based question from Crown publication of Bihar General Knowledge in English medium. So our chapter 9 is Human Development in Bihar. Let's start our question number 1. So question number 1 is which are the best three districts in Bihar in terms of availability of health institutions? Option B, Jamui, Siohar, Shekhpura. Now question number 2, which of the following diseases is not covered through pentavalent vaccination? Option C, diarrhea. Question number 3, Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram RBSK assures a package of health services for children in the age group of 0 to 18 years. Next question number 4, in which district a new medical college, Vardhaman Ayurvigyan Sansthan, has been established? Option D, Nalanda. Question number 5, which of the following is incorrect? Narayan Medical College is in Kishanganj. This is wrong. Question number 6, the literacy rate in Bihar is 61.8%. Question number 7, in which of the following district of Bihar Indira Gandhi Maitritva Sahyog Yojana is operational? Option D, Vaisali and Saharsa. Question number 8, which of the following statements are true regarding SABLA scheme? So option will be all of the above. All of the above says option A is it is a 10% centrally sponsored scheme. Option B is it is a comprehensive intervention for adolescent girls in the age group of 11 to 18 years, and C is it has a special focus on out of school girls. So all of the above will be the answer. That's D, option D. Now question number 9, consider the following statements regarding Janani Suraksha Yojana, that's JSY. Option all are true, that's 1 2 3 all are true. That is, it is an intervention for safe motherhood. Second is it operates under National Health Mission. Third is it is aimed at reducing maternal and neonatal mortality by promoting institutional delivery among the poor women. So D is the answer, all are true. Question number 10 is the incentive given to mothers and ASHAs is rural areas under Janani Suraksha Yojana is respectively rupees 1400 to rupees 600. Option C. Now next question number 11, in which of the following district of Bihar the extent of institution delivery is highest? Option A, Samastipur. Question number 12, the bed occupancy rate means that the hospitals admit people with serious illness for their treatment. It reveals the availability of health infrastructures in a state. For Bihar as a whole, the bed occupancy rate is very high. Which of the following district in Bihar has the highest bed occupancy rate? Option C, Khagaria. Question number 13, according to NEP 2020, the target for pupil teacher ratio PTR in elementary education based on enrollment is 40:1. Question number 14, the midday meal scheme MDMS covers the children belonging to classes 1 to 8. Question number 15 is Bihar Education Project Council is the implementing agency for which of the following scheme? Option B, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Question number 16, Pratham, a reputed non-government organization, has conducting learning assessment test in every state including Bihar. The result of this test are presented in Annual Status of Education Report ASER. Consider the following result of ASER and identify which of the statement or statements are correct. So answer will be both 1 and 2 are correct. Now let's see what is the statement given here. Statement 1 is in standard 3 the percentage of students with satisfactory reading skill is lower in Bihar than the national average, while the mathematical skill it is nearly the same. Second statement is for standard 5 students, the percentage of students with satisfactory reading skill is same for both Bihar and India. However, for mathematics skills, the figures for Bihar and Bihar are much higher. Now next, question number 17. A high level committee has been constituted in Bihar. A high level committee has been constituted in Bihar under the chairmanship of Chief Security for the inclusion of which tribe in the category of scheduled tribe in Bihar? Option A, Tharu. Question number 18. The government of Bihar has decided to appoint Vikas Mitras at Gram Panchayat and ward level for an effective implementation of various development and welfare schemes for a particular community. Name the community. It is Mahadalits. Option D. Question number 19. Which institution has been appointed as the nodal agencies for imparting physical training to minority candidates for appearing in the examination of Bihar Police Service requirement? Option B. Majrul Haq Arabic Persian University. Question number 20. The government of Bihar has introduced reservation for women in Panchayati Raj institutions and urban local bodies. How much reservation is provided? It's 50%. Option A. Question number 21. The government of Bihar has started a scheme in 2007 to 8 to provide financial assistance to poor families at the time of marriage of girls who have attained the age of 18. Name the scheme. Option B. Mukhyamantri Kanya Vivah Yojana. Question number 22. In which of the following district of Bihar the state government operates AASRA, a 50-bedded special residential home for mentally challenged women and girls? Option D. Patna. Under Mukhyamantri Mahila Saktikaran Purashkar Yojana, the state government provides a cash prize to one woman at the state level for understanding work in the field of economic and social development, education, health and cultural development, legal awareness, and environment conservation. What amount is given under this Puraskar Yojana? It's option C, 1 lakh. Question number 24 is how much reservation is provided to women in direct requirement for the post of constable and in appointing junior inspector in the police force? Option D, 35%. Question number 25. The objective of Samajik Punarvas Post Yojana, which is the operation in all the districts of Bihar, is option B, to rehabilitate survivors of violence and human trafficking. Next, question number 26. The state government operates special school for blind girls and a special school for deaf and dumb girls. These schools are respectively known as Drishti and Koshish. Question number 27. The state government has started a special school called Koshish for deaf and dumb girls at Motihari. Which is the best district in terms of midday meal scheme coverage? It's option C, East Champaran. Question number 29 is which of the following schemes are associated with drinking water and sanitation in Bihar? Option D, all of the above. That's Lohiya Swachhata Yojana, Mukhyamantri Chapakal Yojana, Mukhyamantri Kshetra Vikas Yojana. Question number 30. The three districts recording the highest annual growth in enrollment at both primary and upper primary classes are option B, Kishanganj, Arwal and Katihar. So this was your last question of chapter 9 from Bihar Economy of Bihar or Economy Bihar, whatever, from Crown publication. Now till now I have completed the Economy of Bihar. Now we will move to the art and culture chapter from this book only, from Crown publication itself, because art and culture heritage, I think it is very important topic for BPSC, and the session of mapping also I will do in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.